this Friday, October 3rd. We're happy to host Central Valley Academy, also known as CVA. It is the largest school district in Herkimer County. They're going to be hosted by Tree, and Tree is Herkimer County's leading technology company, and they're located right in the village of Herkimer, at the 420 German Street building. And they have about 50 to 55 employees right now. Last week, I attended a very special evening event for Mohawk Valley Edge in the Leading Edge Awards, and Tree and the owners were the recipient of one of the Leading Edge Awards. So this is a innovative, growing organization right in Herkimer County. And again, they have about 50 to 55 employees, and they have a unique set of skills and a unique innovative process down there where it's sublimation printing. So they're taking electronic devices, and many times the cases and the hardware for the electronic devices, and they're printing images on them using sublimation. It's a great technology. I know they're currently working with the Rochester Institute of Technology, and they're implementing vision systems and artificial intelligence and installing robotic arms, and it's a very innovative organization. So we're very happy to have them host our students that are coming from Central Valley Academy. And that's only the start of it. So then in the afternoon, Everton and I and our colleagues are going to Chris Tech Wire, which is in Rome at the Griffiths Industrial Park. They are a wire fabricator, small run specialty coatings and sizes for customized wire for the electronics industry. And we have one of Oneida County's largest school districts, Rome Free Academy, RFA, will be visiting at that time. So we're, again, equally as excited about that.